Hi there. Yesterday we took our reading test and now it is time to track our data from that test. Go to classwork, click on the three lines in the top right corner, then click on your data folder or data tracker. Your teacher will tell you what it is called. For my class it is called My Data Folder, and this should be familiar because Ms. Reed does this every time we take a math test. And we also do this every time we take a reading test. It is the same thing except we are tracking our reading data. So once you get here, you are going to go to Reading, and then you scroll down to this, Reading, and then you go to Unit 10, because that's the test we took yesterday, and then you'll drag this little bar to wherever the red line is. So yesterday was our Unit 10 or Module 10. They mean the same thing as our test, so make sure you look for that number and then drag the bar to wherever the red line is. If you got below an 80, you are going to do a retest so you can try to get some extra points back. Okay, if you need to hear this video again, just restart it over.